situation in the hill area, there is a lot of death due to the attack from the wildlife animals. We are trying to reduce the maximum as far as we can do. The record shows the activities and precautions which we are taken is effectively progressing. That because of the details of the death shows that the death is reducing year by year. For example, 21-22, when I was when I take over the portfolio, the death is 114. Now it is reduced to 55. 55 means that is not a small number, that's a big number, that I agree. But we are reducing the death rate, and you see if you go through the details, the 55 is including the death from the snake is very high. Then pig is third. The 22 is elephant, 11 is pig, 4 is goat, 1 is tiger, snake is 34. So almost in every year it shows that the death rate is increasing because of the snake bite. The 50% of the death is due to the attack from the bite from the snakes. So we are taking an action plan to reduce the snake bite death in coming 2 years. We can reduce that with the 50%. That is, for that purpose, we have had a meeting yesterday, and we decided to convene a meeting of principal secretaries of the various departments. Then we can approach the Chief Minister, and finally minister level meeting will be decided what is what. So we are sincerely acting to reduce the wildlife attack and to protect the farmers of that area.